Good morning, everybody. Lone Wolf Rick here, and it's about 7:30 a.m. at the start of this video. I'm sure you can hear the wind and the microphone, and I apologize for that. It is very windy here in Las Vegas this morning. Currently, it's about 48 degrees right now, and as you can see from the sky here, they still have that rain in the forecast for basically all afternoon. They've got about a 20 to 30% chance of rain in the forecast, so we'll see what happens there. I'm out here on the Las Vegas Strip, just kind of roaming around. Take a look back up southbound there. We're going to head northbound here for a little bit anyway. Hit the walk button there. Going right through me this morning. The wind is really strong. So we take a look here at Lake Bellagio. Remember a few weeks back I reported, just looking across the way there at Martha Stewart advertising her restaurant and Vanderpump advertising her restaurant. A few weeks back I reported that the Cromwell Hotel and Casino is going to be rebranded as the Vanderpump. I think it's going to be called the Vanderpump Boutique Hotel and Casino. If I remember reading that correctly. Costco out early in the morning here, delivering the goods. Take a look over there. The wind's blowing so strong, even the lake has waves on it today. Even as shallow as that lake is. I call it a lake, but only because they call it a lake. Hotel. I'm sure if you didn't even know what that was, you could figure that out, huh? See all the restaurants over there that overlook the lake. I have not read anything new, although I'm sure that they are probably doing it by now. All these restaurants over here that had tables that were right by the windows overlooking the lake, we're going to start charging a premium for those tables. So while you were having dinner, you could overlook the fountain show and, you know, overlook the lake. Another MGM kind of money grab. Apologize for the wind, because I know it's like the camera is really picking it up, and I apologize for that. But it is supposed to be windy all day, so the high today is only supposed to get up to about 58. So yeah, I told you yesterday, it's like I mentioned all the snow they were getting up in Lake Tahoe, up the northern part of the state. So this is our remnants of that, the cold, windy weather. It's funny, all these reader boards now are advertising movies coming out, advertising TV shows. Old Red. Blake Shelton's restaurant over there. Give you kind of a full look of it. It's really a nice, beautiful building, huh? And then this is the location of the Cromwell. I said it would be rebranded into the Vanderpump. Remember when that was the Barbary Coast? Now we'll get away from that wind for a minute or two. Alright, everybody, thank you very much for joining me. I greatly appreciate it. I'm Lone Wolf Rick. Everybody take care of yourselves, okay? Please stay healthy. Please stay warm if you're in an area that's really cold this week. Once again, sorry about the wind. Hopefully tomorrow's a better day. Take care of yourselves, everybody. I'll see you in the next video. Hey, bye-bye, everybody.